Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to do daily car maintenance using my Volkswagen as an example. It's early morning and I'm approaching my car. First, we need to do a visual inspection. Let's check for any damage, make sure all windows are intact, and see if the tires are properly inflated. We'll walk around the car. Everything looks good, but it's important to check because anything can happen. You might pick up a screw on your way home, a tire could deflate overnight, or someone could hit your car and drive off. If you don't spot it right away, you might never find out what happened. Now, if you want to check the oil level, you'll first need to open the hood before starting. Now, I won't do this one-handed. Here's the dipstick. I checked oil 3 days ago, though it's a new car. While the hood's open, let's check coolant. It's fine, between min and max. Brake fluid's good. I topped up water yesterday, all dry, no leaks. All good. If you don't want to check oil, you can start the car right after inspection. So, we've started. The order doesn't matter much now. I've checked under the hood. All's fine, dry, oil's normal. Everything's good. Now, you can check all the lights. For example, when I start the engine, my daytime running lights come on. Look, one isn't working. Seems the bulb burned out early at 25,000 miles. So I've noticed one daytime running light isn't lit. Next, we check the low beams, parking lights, and hazards. Let's go around. Parking lights are on. Hazards work all around. Check the mirrors. Now from the front, low beams are on. You might drive at night, so it's important. Hazards work fine. You can check the high beams and brake lights. For brake lights, you'll need help. I'm turning on the high beams now. I can see they're working. Both headlights are on. To check brake lights regularly, you need someone to press the pedal or put something heavy on it. For those who don't know, when we brake, 3 bright red lights should come on. Sometimes drivers ignore this, and the lights burn out one by one. They might not even notice. See why it's dangerous if your brake lights don't work? After checking the lights, ensure good visibility. The windows might not be too dirty, but while the car warms up, clean the windows and mirrors. Keep a cloth and water in the trunk. It doesn't take long, so don't be lazy. Give yourself a clear view, especially in winter. Some people drive with just a tiny clear spot on their windshield, like a tank. They can't see anything, with a huge pile of snow on their roof. When driving at speed, this snow can fly into someone's windshield. Don't forget to wipe your feet, lights, and rear camera if you have one. I do, so I clean it too. Back up carefully as it's autumn and humid. Everything gets dirty fast. See how dirty the headlights are? Since my daytime running light burned out, I'll use low beams. Driving with one light isn't safe, so we've done a quick check. External inspection, lights, and under the hood. We checked fluids and made sure everything's dry. These are the basics. You might not need to check under the hood daily. With my newer car, I do it weekly when refilling washer fluid or antifreeze in winter. Alright, so I check everything else. Consider how much you drive and what car you have. If you drive a lot with an older car, check it every 3 days. Watch for oil consumption and antifreeze levels. All this needs monitoring. For newer cars, check at least bi-weekly. Top up fluids, open the hood, and inspect. Even new cars can have factory defects. That's not all, though. Ensure good visibility. We do this daily, multiple times. When we get in, the car's warmed up. We test wipers and washers. I turn on low beams, fasten my seatbelt, and switch off any extra lights. We're set to go with clean windows and clear visibility. So, all good. Now, just in case, we always check the brakes, guys. It only takes a second. I'll put it in reverse, release the brake, let the car move a bit, then hit the brakes. I'm sure they work, but I've had a case where I pressed the brake in the morning after gaining some speed and found they were practically gone. Well, I guess when I parked the night before, the brake line got slightly damaged. It's rubber, you see. There was a small cut, and overnight some brake fluid leaked out. So before you start driving, just tap the brakes to make sure they're working. Same goes for the handbrake. You should use it regularly and check it often. These are the kind of daily maintenance procedures you need to do with your car. It's called daily technical inspection. Check these levels regularly. Again, if you have a new car that you service at official dealers, you don't need to do this daily. But it's wise to look under the hood weekly. It helps prevent breakdowns and catch leaks early, reducing problems. Top up fluids as needed, or get repairs done. Don't wait for a warning light on your dashboard. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. As always, I wish you safe travels. Bye, everyone.